Okay, in chromatic chart it should always be half step in third position and half step in seventh position. Okay, that's very easy. So I will just show you then how to make that chromatic chart once again. Okay, so the formula was of chromatic chart is whole step, half step, whole step, whole step, whole step, and half step. Okay, this was the formula. This is the formula of chromatic chart. Okay, so and things to remember here is always in musical notes, and C note doesn't have any sharp or flat note. Okay, so I have taken here C scale. Okay, that means whole step, half step, whole step, whole step, whole step, half step. Okay, suppose I just take the help of another option. I think this also make you more clear and more easy to understand. And what is that? Just look at it. Suppose I just write like this: C, C sharp, D, D sharp. Likewise, your like your musical alphabet, E and F, then F sharp, and G and G sharp, then A, then B flat, then B, then C. Okay, so if I just take this option, I think it also help us to understand very easily. But the process, the formula is the same, which we have already every time discussed in our classes. Okay, so here C sharp, D sharp, E, F sharp, G sharp, A, B flat, B. That means if I just take the help of that musical alphabet, then it shows like this. Okay, so I said that whole step, whole, half, whole, half. Okay, suppose I just take that C and D, this is whole, C and D is this is whole. But if I just take that C and C sharp, this is called half. Okay, suppose I just take that C and D, this is whole, right? Then I just take that D and A, E, this is whole, C and D, this is whole, C and D, this is whole. Okay, I think this is correct, right? D and E, this is also whole. And here I need half, because this is third position. Okay, E and F always should be half, then this is half. Okay, that means this is correct. Okay, E and F, F and G is the whole which we need. F and G always whole step. Okay, and G and A is also whole, because G sharp is between G and A. Okay, this is whole, G and A is whole. Then A and B is also whole, A and B is also whole. But B and C is half, B and C is half. So what I say then, in third and seventh position always should be half step. Okay, so I think this makes some sense. Okay, whole, half, whole, half. Okay, sorry. Excuse me. So I think if you just check this C scale, you just find this kind of this kind of progression. Okay, note progression. So that's what I just said, that in the scale of that C there is neither use of flat or the sharp. Okay, so this is chromatic chart of C scale. Okay, now If I just take the help, if I just take another scale, that is D, suppose I just take that D. Okay, first of all we need to just write D in alphabetical order: E, D, E, F, G, A, and B, then C. Okay, C and, oh sorry, pardon, C, then again D. Okay, things to be remembered is third always should be half, 7 always should be half. Okay, now how to make the chromatic scale of D? Then it should be whole half. Okay, whole half. Then it shows like this: D and E. Just take the help of D and E. Is this whole? Right, this is whole. Okay, right. E and F. E and F. Is this whole? No, this is not whole. This is half still.